Welcome to ZenDevX. In this video, we will see how to create the select query using the Query Builder. Let's begin. Click on Add icon and select the query option from the list. You can see available query types. Select the Select option and click Submit button. You can see the Select Query Builder property window. A select query is used to either select a single row by passing condition, a few rows based on condition, or all available rows from a particular one or more tables using join. Let's create a basic select query to list all available rows from the item master table. Those are not marked as inactive. Enter query title. Here, the query title should be a unique name. Write the purpose if you want. In the left section, you can see a list of tables available. Let's click on the item master table. You can expand the item master table using a double click. You can see all the columns are available from the item master data table. Choose the column that you want and click the select button or press double click. As we haven't saved this query yet, this prompt appears. Let's set the query title and save this query first. Select columns, those to use in this select query, one by one. Let's also add a few connected columns from another data table, like item group title and UOM value from pick list. Now, let's review some more options available in the Select Query Builder window. First is Join Info. In this option, you can define join conditions for multiple tables. Here, you can see we have 3 tables. Let's create a join condition between the item master table and the item group table. Another join condition is between the item master and pick list to get the value of UOM. The next option is to pass condition parameters. Let's put a condition to show records with the value 0 means for the inactive column. That means only those records which are not set as inactive. The next option is to group by condition. It is similar to condition parameters. The next option is to define the sorting column. To define the column sort option, first select that column and choose either ascending or descending. You can also remove sorting by selecting no sorting. Remember, in the case of the multiple column sort, top to bottom order will be taken. The next option is the aggregation of the column value. You can aggregate numeric type column values like average, minimum, maximum, or sum of values. The next option is to whether we want to list all records or the first 5 or 10 records. Let's keep all records right now. Select this option if you want to display unique records only. Here are some more options, those we will see in a separate video. In the bottom left, you can see the formula field and foreign key definition button. Using the formula field, you can create your own formula fields. Once you define the foreign key and return value, next time while selecting the foreign key, the join info and joining condition get automatically added. In the bottom section, you can see a list of conditions, those we have created from the display condition option. Let's save this select query. During query saving, you will get generated SQL query for your confirmation. Let's generate a web service for this query. Click on Generate Web Service button. Our select web service is generated. Let's check the web service list. Click on the Refresh button. Yes, our select web service is here. Let's open it. See, the general section show JSON as the return type, as this query can return JSON encoded values. In the Include Web Service section, we have default database connectivity web service included. In the parameter section, you can see all parameters with the type out. We got access through JSON array value decoding. In the last section, you can see we have 3 actions: define the array variable, execute the select query, and return the JSON array. Let's generate code for this web service. Let us open generated web service for review. Here, no parameters are defined during query design. You can see we have the select query with all the columns and with the join option. And query result is added to the response array and finally returned with JSON encoding. I hope this will be useful to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.